Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's audio tools. To access audio, go to your left panel and look for audio. Here it is right here. Select that. And from here, you're able to browse through tracks. If you recently used any audio, you will see it above. But if not, you can go down and you can search through popular music, and you have different genres to choose from. And to bring this design to life, I'm going to choose this one called Captivate. But to listen to it, I can simply hover over a track. To add this audio, I can simply drag onto this project to add. From here, you can trim audio. Since I only want the audio to be playing over on this, I can drag it so that it starts and stops right at this project. To also make sure that I'm playing it from the beginning, I can drag it backwards and drag it down to the project, and again just drag the end and let it stop at the end of this project. To adjust volume, make sure that the audio is selected, and up at the toolbar you can select volume and you can play with this slide bar to adjust the volume. You can also fade how it starts and how it ends. From here you can also delete a track. And lastly, you can also upload audio. So go back to your left panel and select uploads, and then you would click upload files, and it will take you into your computer to retrieve the audio file that you want. And once it is uploaded, you can do the same thing. You drag it onto the design and you will have the audio playing for the project. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.